When discussing focus, most people point to obvious culprits: smartphones, noisy environments, or constant emails. However, some of the most potent threats to our attention originate not from the outside world, but from within. These internal saboteurs, like self-doubt, perfectionism, and emotional resistance, quietly erode our ability to maintain deep concentration. Our thoughts have immense power over our cognitive state. According to cognitive behavioral psychology, negative inner dialogue can trigger stress responses, activating the amygdala and diverting energy away from the prefrontal cortex, the brain's center for attention and executive function. Ruminative thinking, worry, and anticipatory anxiety can cause us to mentally check out, even if our surroundings are calm. Perfectionism often disguises itself as high standards, but in practice, it creates paralysis. Instead of progressing through tasks, perfectionists obsess over details, leading to delays and mental fatigue. Studies show that perfectionism correlates with increased procrastination and reduced sustained attention. Sometimes the lack of focus stems not from poor habits but emotional resistance. Tasks that trigger fear of failure, judgment, or inadequacy can lead to subconscious avoidance. This resistance creates a loop. The more we avoid, the more anxious we feel, the harder it is to concentrate. Psychologist Stephen Hayes describes this in Acceptance and Commitment Therapy, ACT, as experiential avoidance, where we break focus to avoid discomfort. Internally, we often justify dividing attention across tasks as being productive. However, the brain cannot process multiple streams of conscious thought simultaneously. Instead, it engages in task switching, a cognitively expensive process that reduces efficiency and accuracy. This self-deception drains mental energy and diminishes quality output. Mindfulness training. Regular meditation has been shown to improve attention regulation and reduce emotional reactivity. Cognitive restructuring. Identifying and challenging negative beliefs enhances psychological flexibility. ACT techniques. Allowing discomfort while staying committed to meaningful work can prevent avoidance loops. Done is better than perfect mindset. Embracing imperfection reduces paralysis and enhances progress. True productivity begins with mastering the internal environment. While external distractions are visible and often manageable, internal saboteurs are more insidious. By becoming aware of our inner narratives and emotional patterns, we can reclaim our attention, not just for work but for intentional living.